Hi, I'm Damien McLean, Managing Director of Everlast Scaffolding. Just here at City Exchange in Leeds today, looking at some highlights and challenges on this project. This scaffolding project was delivered on time in budget and was nominated for the NASC Awards in 2024. Some of the challenges on this project we faced were fixing gallows brackets to various places on this scaffold in a busy environment with the pedestrians, having to work out of hours using a goods hoist, and generally working to keep the public safe.
Hi, I'm Harry Kaywood, Contracts Manager from Everlast Scaffolding. My involvement on this project was to help quote for it using the scaffold design provided from PB Scaffold Designs and to oversee elements of the project as it was being erected. So the biggest challenges for me on this project was organising the pavement licences for both the hoarding and the small elements of scaffolds that come to ground, and certain areas of the project they had ties that we couldn't actually source in the UK, so we had to work with the scaffold designers to ensure there was a compliant method that we could install the ties that would still hold up the scaffold cantilevered out 26 metres up. This is one of the pull testers that we used on this project. We used this on most of the ties on the scaffold due to the fact that we removed some of the glazing and windows and it went back to the existing structure. We was also informed that the brick was failing, so we had to tie back to the existing structure fully, so we made sure that we pull tested more than enough to ensure that the scaffold was stable.
Hi, I'm Neil Monks, Supervisor Scaffolder here at Everlast Scaffolding. I'm down at City Exchange, Leeds. I'm standing here now where we started the beams and props work for the truss out scaffold. I'd say our biggest challenges on this project was working out of hours and out of public's way.
Hi, I'm Charlie McLean. I'm Operations Supervisor at Everlast Scaffolding. I'm at City Exchange in Leeds today with our scaffolders. There's two operatives on site and we're here to change the monoflex due to wear and tear. We're on the top lift currently. I've been doing the inspections on site and I've noticed that the monoflex is really worn, so we're just changing it. As you can see behind me, we've got operatives making their way around, fastening the monoflex using toggle ties.
We've had to tie some gallows brackets back to the structure of a wall by taking the bricks out.
On this level, we've followed a design using ladder beams, which are fitted to the gallows brackets, and again, as on the lift below, we've taken bricks out so we can connect it to the structure of the building.
Another challenge we had on this project was removing hundreds of panes of glass so we could install the ties to the floor level slab, as you can see, and then we've insulated the full glazing panel until the scaffold is dismantled.
We have tied down every single board on this project using safe links, board clips, and we've screwed down the cater corner boards to prevent any lifting.